In the refrigerator, we got us some crackers. In the refrigerator, we got us Kool-Aid. In the refrigerator, we got some eggs. In the refrigerator, we got some dinner rolls. In the refrigerator, we got us some biscuits. In the refrigerator, we got 2 things of biscuits. In the refrigerator, we got us some butter. In the refrigerator, we got us some more butter. In the refrigerator, we got us some onions. In the refrigerator, we got us some oranges. In the refrigerator, we got us some orange juice. In the refrigerator, we got us some water. In the refrigerator, we got my granny medicine. In the refrigerator, we got us a little bit of butter. In the refrigerator, we got us some flour. In the refrigerator, we got us some bologna wrapped up in a plastic bag so y'all can't see it. I'm gonna show y'all though. In the refrigerator, we got us some potatoes. In the refrigerator, we got a tomato. In the refrigerator, we got us some salad lettuce. In the refrigerator, we got us some carrots.